Question number 9. Two bodies each of equal mass traveling in opposite directions collide head on. Collision. What do you mean by collision? Definitely your conservation of momentum is valid. Okay. So you have both of the masses are same. So what is the momentum before collision? Momentum before collision. Sum of the momentum before collision should be m into 8 minus m into 4, which should now be equal to 8m minus 4m. It should be equal to 4m. Momentum after collision should also be equal to 4m, whether elastic or inelastic, whatever it is. See, if I take this m and this m over here, so here mv plus mv1 plus mv2, which should be 5 plus 7, become 12m over here. So, which is incorrect. Now, here you take 1 plus 3, 4m. 4m, you get it correctly. So, therefore, B is the right answer. Okay, if you want to choose, you can try the other options also here. So, what will happen here? This is 4, this is 2, this will become 2m over here. What will happen here? 12m over here, right? So, therefore, all these are incorrect. So, B is the right answer.